Imagine a scene: you're on a long flight, the in-flight entertainment is running dry, and you're craving something new to watch. Or perhaps you're going on a road trip and want to avoid the hassle of Wi-Fi or data charges. Ever wondered, how much can I actually download on Neon for my offline viewing? Neon, with its vast library of movies and TV shows, is a great way to keep yourself entertained on the go. But before you dive into your favorite shows, it's important to understand the download limits and how they might affect your viewing experience. Neon's download limit. Start by stating the general download limit for Neon. Explain whether there are any restrictions based on subscription plans or device types. Mention if there are any regional differences in download limits. Factors affecting download speed. Discuss factors that can influence download speed, such as internet connection, device performance, and video quality. Provide tips on how to optimize download speed and ensure a smooth experience. Understanding video quality. Explain the different video quality options available on Neon, e.g., standard, high, 4K. Discuss how video quality affects file size and download time. Offer guidance on choosing the right video quality based on your storage space and viewing preferences. Managing your downloads. Show viewers how to download content on Neon using their devices. Explain how to manage downloaded content, including deleting and re-downloading. Discuss the expiration date for downloaded content and whether there are any restrictions on re-downloading. Troubleshooting download issues. Address common download problems that users might encounter, such as slow speeds, failed downloads, or playback errors. Provide troubleshooting tips and solutions for these issues. Neon's offline features. Highlight additional features related to offline viewing, such as resuming playback from where you left off or downloading specific episodes or seasons. Discuss the benefits of using Neon's offline features for convenience and saving data. So, there you have it. Now you know how much you can download on Neon and how to make the most of its offline viewing capabilities. With the right planning and understanding, you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the go, no matter where your adventures take you. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy streaming.